Why is everyone so aggressive if I was here, and plus with the hunters especially, and in the carpet when empty frog over there?
Oh yeah.
I think, Daniel, this means to be a lesson of forgiving and forgetting. That little jerk.
Hey kids, get in my van for some free candy.
If he's a candy cadet, we are good. There are no children here.
Oh okay, I will just cry my non-existent feelings away for not being included in the custom night.
What about your truck?
You're building your truck. I noticed we're missing a lot of people.
I noticed it's April and it was Easter yesterday and we saw a new Easter egg.
Also, what's up with him?
Just ignore him.
So how should we end this special?
Usually someone will come busting through the door and we get captured.
I wonder why.
Ra ra ta 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 ta.
Really?